And it's estimated that online advertisers and retailers make $140 billion every year from online search engines, like Google. Well, now there's a way to put some of that money back into the pockets of your favorite charities. News 3's Angela Martin joins us from the newsroom this morning. There's one search engine in particular out there that is paying a little bit of money to your favorite charity every time you use it.
It is called GoodSearch.com. Already 80,000 American charities have signed up for this, and it is, in fact, powered by one of the most powerful search engines. You can see the Yahoo logo right here, and so you're going to get the same results using GoodSearch that you would using Yahoo.com. And GoodSearch says that it will donate 50% of the money it makes to whatever charity you choose. So that's about a penny per search, which may not seem like a lot, but if 500 people are using this every day, 4 times a day, you would raise $7,000, more than $7,000 for your favorite charity. So it can add up. And the website also goes another step further by partnering with a lot of online stores. Macy's and Staples, Best Buy, those are just a few. And if you buy something from one of those sites, after you go to GoodSearch.com first and then link into that site, you can raise even more money from your charity. Up to a third of the purchase price of the item can go back to your charity. Now, there's every kind of charity you can think of on here. We've got a couple already listed. Again, 80,000 charities total. And if you do a quick search for Southern Nevada, you'll find a couple dozen here already. There's hospitals and volunteer organizations, animal rescue groups, a couple here, American Red Cross and Community College of Southern Nevada, Depression and Bipolar Support Alliance, and several other Southern Nevada-based charities. And in these tough economic times where donations are down in some cases, every little penny and every little bit can help these charities. Reporting live for News 3, I'm Angela Martin. I'll send it back to you guys in the studio.
Angela, people shouldn't be searching for stuff at work, though, right?
No, that's probably not a good idea if you want to keep your job.
Okay, all right. Well, some of it's work-related.
Yeah.
That's all I'm saying. Sometimes I need to search for stuff.
You are a journalist.
I am a journalist. By the way, if you're a nonprofit out there and you'd like to get on this GoodSearch.com thing, they are accepting you to sign up.
Right.
All nonprofits are welcome to sign up there. So
there you go.